Hey guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Outlook using Integrately. It's a great way to automatically send emails or create events right from your Slack messages. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Slack as your first app. Then search for and choose Microsoft Outlook as your second. You'll also find the direct Integrately link for this automation in the description below. From the list of available one-click automations, find Send Slack Message for new Microsoft Outlook contact and click Activate. Next, connect your Microsoft Outlook account. Once it's authorized, proceed to connect your Slack account to enable the integration. In the Automation Builder, configure your Slack message. Choose the recipient's username and map the first name from your Outlook contact into the message text. Finally, click Test and Turn On to activate your automation. You'll see a confirmation that your process is live. The Integrately link is in the description below. And that's it. Slack to Outlook working smoothly with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description link to try it out yourself.